This is gonna blow out your mind. Trust me, you have everything you need at your disposal. Just try this smoothie and you will never ever complain about constipation, complain about your gut. I mean, before constipation will want to think of coming to you, it will run away.
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thanks so much for joining. So my name is Carrie and here we talk about skincare, lifestyle. We make sure you stay fit, healthy, and we make sure you are up to date. So why not go ahead and hit that button that says subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and let's go. So guys, so it's been a long time I didn't actually come up with something like this. Yes, so I always come up with smoothies for this breakfast, dinner, you know. But today I decided to actually talk about constipation and actually trying to show you how you could treat constipation. Before we proceed, what's constipation? Constipation is actually a common digestive illness that causes difficulties when passing stool, right? So in a layman's language, it's just when you find it difficult to actually pass out stool. So usually people don't go to the hospital because of this. What we do is that we normally have natural remedies that could actually help us. People normally know that if you're constipated, you should eat some fruits. It means you're not eating lots of fruits or enough fruits, okay? Or secondly, you're not normally drinking enough water. You are dehydrated. So in order for us to treat or to actually get the best remedy for these situations, first of all, you need to consume enough fiber. When I talk about enough fiber foods, I'm talking about wheat, I'm talking about brown rice, I'm also talking about some fruits which are literally thick in the skin. For example, we have mangoes, and we also have bananas, we also have dragon fruit here, and these are our bananas as well. We also have legumes, we have vegetables that you can also consume, spinach, and we have lots and lots of any vegetable will cure constipation, okay? And we also have chia seeds. Yes, so I am here to come up with that natural smoothie that is going to help you treat constipation. If you find yourself anywhere around the world and you are watching this video, just know that I'm with you, and you can actually comment down below and tell me how you definitely treated your constipation. These are not the only fruits that could actually treat constipation, but let's start with these ones first, okay? Let's start with this smoothie first. And also remember that you must be hydrated. You should drink enough water. You should eat enough watermelons. They're going to help you as well. You should consume pear. So you should consume avocados. They're also going to help treat constipation or prevent you from actually having constipation. Imagine you not being able to go to the toilet or not being able to stool for a week or for days. You will feel so uncomfortable, and we are not happy for you to actually face that. And guys, take a look at my skin and you can see no makeup on. I actually wanted to come up with a live stream video, but then situations came up and I couldn't actually stream the live video anymore, and so here I am trying to record this video just so you could actually enjoy it, have fun, and learn from it. If you also have other ways in which you can actually treat constipation or other foods which do treat constipation easily back in your country, please do comment down below. Leave your comments down below, tell us, and we will be so glad to help each other. Remember, we are creating a community which is out to help you and I, and we're also out to make sure everyone is living a healthy life. If you are okay, then I'm okay. All right guys, enough of this talking and let's dive into it. Stay tuned. So guys, like I said, these are my fruits, and let's see how we can come up with this smoothie, okay? So the first thing you're gonna need are your bananas. Bananas are just everything. If you do not consume bananas, if you are not consuming bananas, then you are not doing good for yourself. I have talked about bananas in lots and lots of my videos. Bananas are definitely gonna help treat constipation, and it's also very good. It contains fibers as well. It contains iron, so you should definitely consume bananas. I have talked about this so many times in my videos, and yes, you could go, I recommend you to go watch my videos, and you will understand what I mean by bananas being so healthy for you. So guys, so I'm gonna peel in this banana and put it here. And secondly, I have my spinach right here. Remember, we are trying to come up with a constipation smoothie, so this is another kind of vegetable that is really good if you are suffering from constipation. So here we are. I'm not gonna put so much. And so I'm gonna use another banana, okay? Because we have more than one mouth that's gonna consume it. So I'm gonna try to. So our next fruit is gonna be dragon fruits. So dragon fruits are really good for your skin. It has a very thick skin, which contains 5 to 20% of fiber. So you don't want to miss this out. So you could consume dragon fruit without even mixing it or blending it with any other fruit. Just make sure that you put it in chunks and you're good to go. So I used half. And also I'm gonna use chia seeds. So we're gonna be needing chia seeds for this. So I'm just gonna use 1 tablespoon. You know, I'm gonna eyeball it, okay? Okay. So we are good to go. is how the end looks like. And actually at the end you could actually sprinkle up some chia seeds. So just a little sprinkle and we're good to go. And so this is how the end looks like. Guys, oh my, the flavor is just everything. This is gonna blow out your mind. Trust me, you have everything you need at your disposal. Just try this smoothie and you will never ever complain about constipation, complain about your gut. I mean, before constipation want to think of coming to you, it will run away. I can't. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and trust me, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this point, then I don't know what you're still waiting for. Go ahead, subscribe, like this video, and let's form a community of love and also building up each other. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.